In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write formulas in Notion databases. Start by opening Notion and going straight to the database where you want your formula to live. This can be any table-style database where you track numbers, like hours, sales, costs, or other values you want. Notion to calculate for you automatically. Once you're inside the database, look all the way to the far right of the column headers and click the plus icon. This adds a new property, or in simple terms, a new column. When the property type menu appears, choose Formula. That tells Notion that this column won't hold manually typed values. Instead, it will calculate something based on other properties in the same row. After the new formula column appears, click into any cell in that column. This opens the formula editor. This is where you build the expression that Notion will use to calculate results. In the editor, use the sidebar to select a property you want to work with, such as hours or sales. Choosing it from the sidebar is helpful because it inserts the property correctly into the formula, which reduces mistakes. Once that property is added, type the mathematical operator you need. For example, use a plus sign if you want to add a minus sign to subtract, an asterisk to multiply, or a forward slash to divide. Then complete the formula by typing a number or adding another property. For example, if you want to calculate a commission or projected value, you might create a formula like sales multiplied by 20. The idea is simple: property, then operator, then value, or another property. Notion reads that expression and calculates the answer for every row in the database. When your formula looks right, click into any empty space outside the editor. Notion will automatically save the formula and immediately show the results in the new column. You'll now see the calculated values appear across your database based on the data in each row. That's the core process for writing formulas in a Notion database. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A couple of quick things to keep in mind while you're doing this. The formula only works well if the properties you're referencing contain the kind of values your calculation expects. So if you're doing math, make sure those source columns are set up with compatible values. Also, using the property picker from the sidebar is usually easier than trying to type everything manually, especially when you're learning the syntax. And that's it. You've successfully added a formula column, built a calculation, and saved it so Notion can do the work for you automatically.